Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get TRX in Trust Wallet. First, ensure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your mobile device and have completed the initial setup, including backing up your recovery phrase securely. Trust Wallet is a secure, self-custody crypto wallet that supports over 10 million assets across more than 100 blockchains, including TRX. This makes it an excellent choice for managing your Tron assets. Once your Trust Wallet is set up, you have a few options to acquire TRX. You can buy TRX directly within the app using a debit or credit card or other local payment options. Alternatively, if you already own other cryptocurrencies like UST or BNB on an exchange, you can transfer them to your Trust Wallet. Remember, for any transactions on the Tron network, you'll need a small amount of TRX to cover network fees, typically 1 to 5 TRX. With funds in your wallet, you can now swap for TRX. Trust Wallet offers an in-app swap feature that allows you to convert various cryptocurrencies directly to TRX. If direct swapping isn't available for your specific token pair, you can use the D-app browser to connect to a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap. Always review the conversion rate and any associated transaction fees before confirming your swap to ensure you get the desired amount of TRX. After acquiring TRX, you can easily manage it within your Trust Wallet. Your TRX balance and transaction history are visible on the main screen. You can send TRX to other wallets or exchanges by simply entering the recipient's TRC20 address and confirming the amount. You can also stake your TRX to earn rewards, which can provide passive income. For a smarter way to keep your home tidy, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.